Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the tap and pilot drill size. This avoids oversized or weak threads. Once selected, clamp the part solidly so it cannot shift and apply cutting fluid to reduce heat and chatter. Then, position the tap perfectly square to the hole and start turning with a hand tap wrench. Keep light downward pressure so the tap bites. If you encounter resistance early, back off a quarter turn to clear chips. This prevents breakage and maintains straight threads. Now you focus on cutting and chip control. Employ the turn and back method, 2 or 3 forward turns, then 1 back to break and eject chips. Make sure to reapply cutting fluid frequently because lubrication lowers torque and improves finish. If the tap tightens, stop immediately, reverse to clear chips, and inspect the hole. For blind holes, switch to a bottoming tap near the end. Leave 2 or 3 uncut threads, then make short, controlled passes so you don't bind or fracture the tool. To finish, you remove the tap and clean the threads thoroughly with compressed air or a brush. This clears chips and swarf. Then, verify fit by running a mating bolt or thread gauge through the threads. They should engage smoothly and without play. If you find a problem, such as a stuck or broken tap, stop and assess. Drill out the broken portion carefully, preserve surrounding metal, and repair with a heli coil or oversized tap if needed. Prevention is easier than repair, so maintain technique.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.